because they've had some that catch on fire, and customer support is non-existent. The best portable sauna that you can buy right now on the market. A lot of people want to know, I know the DIY sauna is an option, which we'll probably talk about that later, but what is the very best on the market portable sauna, and then the very worst on the market portable sauna? That you can buy, not build? Well, let's get out of this. This is a DIY. That's one of the best that you can do under 300, 500 bucks. Let's do ones that they don't have to do any assembly. Let me take you, well, so there's a bunch in here, but let me take you in here. I'll show you the worst. Not one of the domes, not one of the blankets, not one of these, but it's this. This is the most toxic pile of crap that I've ever...
Put the mic up next to the plastic.
So this is a vinylized rubber material, and when it heats up, it smells atrocious. And not only that, it has a nylon liner that covers the infrared heaters, right? And a camping chair, which is pretty sweet. Also nylon. This is the worst portable sauna. I think it's like $100 and some on Amazon. This is the worst portable sauna that I've ever used in my life. I would suggest no one buy that unless you would like to poison your lungs. They relabel it like 900 times. Yeah, if it's like $100, $150 and it's a crunchy material, no go. Because this is rubberized vinyl, you know, with a liner stitched in. So even though your head's not inside, all the fumes come up right in front of right out of your neck, like the little zipper thing, right into your nose. And so, I mean, you're just no bueno. No bueno.
All right, that's the worst one. What's the best one?
No longer this. If you see any of my videos from a few years ago, you'll see the synergy. This one is no longer. Do not buy one of these because they've had some that catch on fire. And customer support is non-existent. They just like disappear off the face of the earth. So never, ever, ever go to my old videos, cross them out. No good. Relax sauna, one of the best you can get. Therasage, but if I had to choose the best that you can buy right now, it would be the Relax. It's more portable, more comfortable, bigger cabin, heats up quicker, and the EMF is at your feet. Both of them have a decent level of EMF. Both of them still have all the problematic things that you would get from a portable sauna. But if you're gonna choose, go see my individual review or my blog post, my written review on the Relax, and you'll see me using it. There's pictures and videos of me in there, and then it'll show you like the nuanced differences between the two and why this works better. This gets hotter faster. And so for a portable sauna that you can truly like wrap up and take with you, this thing folds up almost like a sun visor for your windshield. So easy to transport, and it has a metal frame on the bottom, and the chair is the best in the business. This chair is the most comfortable chair that you can get in a portable sauna. So most other chairs, you're gonna end up buying a new one anyway because they're rigid, hard, and very uncomfortable. But this one is wide, soft, and you know, fits a full-size guy very, very comfortably. The cabin itself is suspended in a way that doesn't collapse and doesn't rub your shoulders and do all these other things that you find in the other portable saunas. But at the end of the day, it just works better. It's the hottest, quickest heating, you know, portable sauna on the market. Aside from the DIY is pretty darn good for the money. You really can't beat that. But
is it the same price as the one you're sitting in?
No, I think that's like $1,500 now. It used to be $1,200, $1,300. No, you could build one of these without the supplemental heaters, right? Like you're not going to get it to, you know, 170 degrees without spending extra money. But the base of it, like we outline in the course, $350. The only thing is you have to put it together. It doesn't just come in a box and, you know, you pop it out and start using it. You have to assemble it, wire up your cords and stuff like that, but that's not really what you were asking. The best portable sauna that you can buy right now on the market is the Relax.